Morgan, Morgan, can you say dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
And what does a dinosaur say? What does a doggy say? What does a kitty cat say? What does a cow say? What does a sheep say?
Sheep.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Very good. What does a horsey say?
Horses.
No, not goldfish doesn't say anything. What does a horse say? Oh, goldfish says. What does a horse say? What does a horse say?
No.
What? I don't know what that is. What does a duck say? What does a duck say?
Rabbit.
No, that's what a froggy says.
Rabbit.
Ribbit, froggy. The duck says quack quack. What does a birdie say?
Us.
What?
Us.
A horse?
Nine.
What does a birdie say? What does... Ooh, here's a new one. What does a snake say? No, a snake.
Nine.
No, a snake says...
I'll help you with this.
Who's over there? Uh-huh. Good morning. Why are you up so early today? What's so special about today?
I'm telling you, I'm tired.
You're tired, I know. Why'd you have to wake up early?
School. That's why I don't like school this early.
You don't like school this early? You have to go in the morning today, huh?
Baby.
You know, next year you're going to have to go in the morning every day. But you'll get used to it. Have fun at school today. Love you. Good morning to you too, Morgan. What are you eating for breakfast? What do you have? Let's see, what's this? What is it? Yogurt. And what else? What are these? Yeah. What's that? Poos. How about spoon? And let's see, what's in here?
Milk.
Yeah.
A monkey.
Oh, it says it's a morgie? Let's see. Yes, it does. Sweetie, what are you eating? What is that?
Apple.
Apple.
Monkey.
Are you Morgie? Is that your name? Where's Gerard? You don't know? Where'd he go this morning?
So.
Where'd he go? Did he go on the bus?
Daddy.
Daddy went to work.
Mommy.
Mommy's right here.
A monkey.
Yeah.
A milk.
Milk, yeah.
Apple.
Apple. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.